Jambo, welcome to this tutorial where we are going to learn about the concatenate function. So the concatenate function is one we use to join two types of data together. Okay, so to better understand it, we are going to use a column called the first name and the one called last name, then full names. So my first name is Bildred, the second name is Fuller. If I want to get the full names, I can just use the concatenate function, which is put in. I don't know why this is. Let me just delete this column, delete that as well, and then full names. Seems there was some formatting there that was not good. I'll put the equal sign and use the concatenate this function, and it asks me for the first text. I'll put this one, then comma, ask me for the second text, I'll put this one, hit enter, it gives Bildred or Fuller. But in places like proper full names, this is not readable. I'll have to have a space between them. So the proper way of doing this is equal concatenate, okay, first, comma, then I will add space or double quotation, okay, sorry about that, concatenate, then I'll put comma, then first quotation, space bar, then second quotation, just to show that is the space, then comma. It is going to ask me for another text number 3, and then I'll do the closing bracket, or sometimes if you don't want to do the closing bracket, you just hit enter. It will do the closing bracket for you, as you can see here. So now it's readable because it's counting Bildred, then the second one, then space, then the last name, and that's how it gives you this. And the beauty about using cell references, because I can just change here and say ghost. Okay, it already changed here to ghost or Fuller. If I change here back to Bildred, watch, changes to Bildred. So that's the beauty of using functions and the beauty of using the concatenate formula. This is used in different areas, and not only in terms of joining names. I want you to imagine all scenarios where you have content in different types of columns or different rows, and you want to combine them into one. Okay, the other way is to create emails. Let me just put here email. So I want to concatenate this, and then I say at gmail.com, then enter. You see, Bildred at gmail.com. And it's important that you understand you can add as many items as you want to the concatenate function. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next tutorial where I'm going to speak about the popular if function. See you then. Bye bye.